Every year, thousands of families, professionals, students, and retirees take the bold step to start a new life overseas. The reasons, of course, vary. Things such as career growth, reconnecting with loved ones, finding a better climate, or simply chasing the adventure of a lifetime. But one thing does remain the same for everyone, and that's this. The moment you decide to move internationally, the questions start rolling in. How will I pack everything? What about my car? What about customs? Can I take my furniture? Can I take all my furniture? What happens if something gets lost or damaged along the way? There's just an endless list of questions. And let's face it, moving internationally is more than just shipping your belongings. We're talking about things like legal paperwork that has to be done, customs clearance, packing regulations, freight timelines, and dozens of other logistics that most people just don't think about until it's too late. And that is if they're doing everything themselves. And then we can talk about the risks. The risks are real. Lost or delayed cargo, improperly packed items, incomplete documentation, and all of these things might lead to unnecessary taxes or high storage fees. But that's where we come in. At SDC International Shipping, we've helped thousands of clients just like you move their lives safely across oceans and borders. We are a licensed international moving company with a global experienced network in place that has decades of experience. And we specialize in full service door-to-door relocations, not just container shipping. So from packing services and insurance to customs clearances, climate-controlled storages, we handle all the details so you don't have to. We realize that not all moves are the same. For instance, for fast delivery of high priority or fragile items, we offer air freight, which is perfect when time is of the essence. If you're moving your entire household, sea freight shipping is often the smarter, more cost-effective option. So whether you're filling a full container or you're sharing space with others in a groupage shipment, it's ideal for larger or bulkier items. If you need your car, your motorcycle, even a jet ski shipped along with your household goods, we specialize in all of that. We can have everything bundled together. Household goods, everything can go in the same container. And that's one of the best ways to save money and simplify the move overall. And if you're relocating with high value items like artwork, musical instruments, antiques, and so on, our custom crating and international moving insurance gives you the peace of mind every step of the way. What if the timing's off between your departure and your arrival? No problem at all. We offer secure, climate-controlled storage on both sides of the ocean. So whether you need short-term storage before shipping or delayed delivery once you arrive, we've got you covered. Professional packing isn't just about convenience either. It's required for certain types of international insurance coverage. We use only approved materials and methods for international transit to prevent delays or rejection at customs. And when it comes to paperwork, we guide you through the customs forms, the import permits, and the change of residency documents for countries like the UK, France, Germany, Australia, Canada, even China. Our relocation consultants are real people. You won't be talking to a bot or an AI from a call center. And they will walk you through everything you need from start to finish. We've helped thousands of families move internationally with confidence. From LA to London, from New York to Sydney, from Miami to Madrid, no matter where life is taking you, we make the transition smooth. But don't just take our word for it. Our clients consistently rate us with 5 stars for professionalism, communication, and peace of mind throughout the entire process. When you partner with SDC International Shipping, you're getting more than just a mover. You're getting a team that's dedicated to making your relocation stress-free, cost-effective, and on schedule. If you're planning an international move, now's the time to get expert help. Call us for a free consultation or visit one of our dedicated international moving websites to get started. You can visit our main website at sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267. If you're moving to the UK, go to www.movefromusa2uk.com. That's movefromusa2uk.com, or call 888-909-3020. 888-909-3020. Heading to Spain? Visit movertospain.com. That's movertospain.com, or call 844-651-7050. That's 844-651-7050. And finally, if you're heading to Australia, check out movers2australia.com. That's movers2australia.com, or call 877-856-7050. Again, one more time, 877-856-7050. Wherever you're going, SDC International Shipping will get you there on time, on budget, and stress-free. SDC International Shipping, global reach, personal touch.